I did it myself.
French mo. Sa parang
Gusto ko yung sulit kaya.
dapat pala lagi nagpapatuloy.
Okay.
Hi! Hi po sa video. Hi!
Wapo naman na. Yan, atay ko.
Isang family hug nga. Family hug. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Then give me some waki. 1, 2, 3.
Underneath the clothes, like supermodels, like superheroes. It's coming over now. The tidal wave crashed down. A harmony appears that only we can hear. A supersonic crush. You wanna feel like us. It's our forever stop. Young in America.
We have at first Mr. Francisco A. Miras. Wala ba kayo naman, ladies and gentlemen? Ayaw mo ba yun, Daddy? Ayaw mo yun, Carl. There's a problem taken. Ayaw mo ba kayo namin? Okay, with that, DJ, first song, music! Okay, dito tayo. Pangalan, what is your name? By the please stand up. Ayan, please introduce yourself one more time. What is your name? Lisa, okay. And also kaano-ano mo si birthday girl? Cousin. And I believe you're all the way from?
USA.
Alright, DJ, he is from USA! Hey! Naman next time, first one, ngayon mo lang ulit na pakinggan yan, di ba? Also, what is your answer? Mount Corona! Is that right, DJ? Please stand up. right?
Family and friends.
Family and friends. And you're all the way from?
California.
California! Dito mo siya. Dito mo siya. What is your answer? Dancing Queen. Is that right? You got it right. Alright, last one. Para kasama ka sa 18 Roses dessert. Okay, pangalan? Boy, kala mo si Carla. Yung totoo. Ay, pinsan. Okay. Akala ko na champagne ko na yung you know, just kidding. Okay, you're all the way from?
Japan.
Alright, deserve from your final Quezon! Come on! Okay, there you go. What is your answer? Awesome! Is that right, Isay? That's the first one! Wow! JR Season, kaya naman mo si Carla?
Friend.
Friend. Okay. And, syempre, what is your answer?
Ice Ice Baby.
Ice Ice Baby, is that right? You got it. Congratulations. Please pick your prize. Alright. Alright, so guys, with that, hang on. Diyan lang muna kayo guys. Tama ba yung pagkakarinig ko? Talented at magagaling sumayaw ang ating 80 Roses. Now, ganito,
sayaw.
here's the deal guys. Yung mga nagtatago sa likod, maiiwan magsasolo sa gitna. Okay, so dapat kita kayo lahat guys. May gustong mag-solo, pwede po magtago sa likod ng gustong mag-solo later on. So in short guys,
Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo.
Tagal na natin hindi nakita. Like, grade 6 pa. So, ikiyang pa lang para sa'yo. So, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the beautiful things in life and always know that you're surrounded by the people that love you and support you and always remember na I'm one call away na kahit gano'ng malayo pa yung agwat natin pero happy birthday!
Ito, the cute cousin nakalagay dito. The cute cousin, pinaka-cute na cousin ni Kyla.
Hello, Ate Kyla. Happy birthday. I hope all your dreams come true and may God bless you always. I love you.
It says here, the dancer is Fred.
Ano po, happy birthday Ate Kyla. Hindi po ma-inform na nasa Ilicanas po ako. So, I wish you all the best and I wish for your dreams to come true po. And I am very much grateful na I'm here, to witness your, day as a young adult, ganun. Enjoy your day, Ate Kyla. God bless you and always stay safe and healthy. And more birthdays to come and again, happy birthday po.
Thank you so much.
Hi Ate Kyla, happy birthday. Ever since you were a kid, I always saw you as an outgoing and adventurous person. Now that you've blossomed into the lady that you are today, I can still see that in you. Wishing you all the best in life, especially now that you're 18 and God bless. Yun lang, happy birthday.
What is aesthetic? And aesthetic or aesthetic? What is aesthetic? Kaya bigyan niya kami ng bigyan para alam na mga guests natin. What is aesthetic?
Nandun pa sa coordinator. Wala pa kasi dito yung laptop.
Maganda po po, Marma.
Ayun. Ano is it? Anong word siya? Aesthetic. Aesthetic. Ayun. What is your wish?
Happy birthday, Ate Kyla. Sana magawa mo lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay and always remember na nandito lang kami para sa mga. Yun lang.
Siyempre, don't forget to smile with our camera. And eto na. Ate ko na nakaalala sa aking edukasyon. Wow, supportive. Ate, please welcome Ate Lorraine Villanueva. Eto na. Isa mo bang naging tutor dito? As a college. Kala ba ka naman natin? One of the foundation, for sure.
Kyle, I'm not shooting you to the States, and I just want to say I am just so proud of you for the woman that you are now. I mean, you were shy, but you're still shy. But you really blossomed into a beautiful lady. And I'm so proud of you, and I'm praying for you as you enter college years.
Siyempre, Ate Reese, don't forget to smile. The cutest smile, the better. Okay, before I invite this next candle, trivia for this, ito, ang ate niya, nakasama yung mambuli at makasar kay Kuya Man. None other than Ate Asunta Gaspar. Bakit yung i-answer natin Kuya Man?
Hi Kyla, happiest birthday. We may not have shared many memories together yet, but I'm grateful to have gained another sister in life. May you continue to grow gracefully and full of wisdom, tapos may you share some with your kuya. Ayun lang, happiest birthday and may you have many more amazing years to come.
Akala ko idudugtog more amazing pang-asar to Kuya Man. Just kidding. Okay, ate, ayan, smile to our camera. And up next, please welcome childhood friend, Nakabog. Wow, Nakabog. Tingnan natin yung Kabog. Please welcome. Tapos sa inyo mga way. Kabog, in what way? Ang personality wise. Kabog daw ang personality nito.
Hi, ako po yung kapo. Happy birthday, Kyla. 18 ka na. Finally reaching the milestone of legality. Proud ako sa lahat ng na-accomplish mo in life. Though we don't meet often, I still consider you as one of my dearest friends. I am honored to be able to witness your growth as a young adult, and I'm more than happy to be part of one of the most important nights of your life. I wish you all the best. Once again, happy legality.
And happy legality from Hazelin. Okay. Wala akong kasalanan dito Hindi lang hindi Kyla. Lagi ba ito gumagana? Basta magpaalam ha. Walang masama pagana nila. Basta magpaalam.
Happy birthday, Ate Kyla. Wish ko lang sa'yo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo.
Oo, parang nagmamadali din sa akin. Kala mo eh. Joke lang. Smile muna siya. Medyo ako yung konto sa mga nangyayari updates, no? Studies, gala, ayan, like the chikahan daw.
Hi, Kyla. Just like this candle, you shine bright. Keep showing them how bright your smile can be. As your cousin, I've had the privilege of witnessing your growth and your transformation into a remarkable person. Over the years, we shared countless of memories, from childhood adventures to the growing pains of teenage years. I'm grateful for every second we spent together, supporting, accepting each other despite the distance that we have. You remain to be the kind I love, and I will always be the precious who you can trust. I can't even remember the first time I saw your face, but I do know within my heart, no one can take your place. On this special day, I want you to know how proud I am of the person you become. Your kindness, determination, and sense of humor have always brightened our family gatherings. And I have no doubt that they continue to shine in all that you do. I hope you bring with our fun memories and hold it close to your heart. I want to wish you the happiest 18th birthday. May this year be filled with love, adventure, growth, and all the success you deserve. Your 18th birthday is not just a number. It's a symbol of your potential and the incredible journey that lies ahead. Learn from the lessons and keep being the amazing person. I'm so happy that you are now 18. I'm so blessed and grateful for having you as my cousin. Happy 18th birthday.
Wala pa naman natin. Perfect yung pagkaka-deliver ng message. Well said. Okay, eto na. Let me meet Elizabeth Samonte.
Dear child.
Yun na nga, yun na nga.
Blooming na blooming kayo. Kayo. Okay, happy birthday, Kyla. I know that when you came to America, it was a very hard struggle for you. But I'm old now, so I'm might cry, but I saw how you persevere, you know? And I think one of it is because of your love for your family. She wants to be a lawyer, and I hope you continue to work hard. Remember to keep your feet on the ground, and God will always guide you. And your love for your family will bring you to a lot of things in life. Hold on to your why, and when things get hard, that your family will be there for you. So happy birthday, and we'll always be here for you.
Go, Tita Julie.
Happy birthday, Kat. Ano gusto mo sabihin ko kayo? Happy birthday, Kai. 18 years old ka na. Magkasama tayo ng 7 taon. Tapos, parang hiwalay siya nang dumating sa akin. Bagong hiwalay. Umiiyak siya nung kinuha ko sa nanay niya at tatay niya. Ngayon, sa paglakad ng panahon, natuto ka, natuto maglaba, natuto maglinis ng kanyang kwarto, at siya rin, natuto magtali ng buhok sa sarili niya. Sabi niya kasi, hindi ako marunong magduklay, hindi ako marunong magtali ng buhok. Sabi niya, kasi habang kumakain siya, tinatalian ni Terry. Pero ngayon, wala. 18 years old ka na. Pagbalik natin, magdadrive ka na. Kaya hindi ka na ihahatid sundo sa school. Siya independent. I'm very proud of her. Happy birthday, Kyla. We are always here for you.
Ay, nagko-compose mo si Lola. Yan, nagko-compose siya ng content. Take your time, Lola. Magandang gabi po, Lola. Ayun.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Magandang gabi daw, guys. What's our response? Ayun.
Dapat ay matapos ang pag-aaral mo. Salamat sa Diyos. Alalay. Happy birthday, Kayla.
Paano ba naman si Lola? Lalapitan ka din syempre. Naging napakagandang ako for our picture. And now we're about to last 3. Ito na. Ito kanina ko na nakikita ko na siya ng punas. Oo, napuwing ka. Hindi, umiiyak siya kanina sa likod.
Happy birthday. This is just an exciting milestone in your life, and I couldn't be happier.
Sabi ko na.
To witness it, from this day forward, the world is yours to explore, embrace, and make your mark on. As you embark on this new chapter, remember to live with courage, chase your dreams relentlessly, and never lose sight of your incredible potential within you. May this year be filled with endless joy, be adventure and growth. Be a man.
Oh.
Ano ka tumatagos?
Ate Ella will always be here for you.
Okay, thank you so much, Tina. Ayan, emotional si Tina. Mula pa kanina, nakita-iyak siya ng Tina. Oo. Nag-alaga. Diba? Kung meron tayong third mother, eto, let's go to the second mother. Ayun, tumayo nga second. Diba? Nag-alaga din.
Okay, word to God. Ako yung kasama nito from 2 years to 12 years. Ako yung nagpalaki na rin ito. Ito yung alaga ko na mabait at sweet. At kailan birthday, kailan salamat sa pangalan pag-imbita niyo sa akin nitong special na araw na to. Salamat din sa your proud parents, Kuya Sam Rose, na sa simula pa lang tinurin niyo akong pamilya. Salamat kayo na simula, bata ka pa lang, sweet na sa akin. Sobrang proud ako sa iyo at ang wish ko na manatili ka mabait, mapagkumbaba, magalang at mapagmahal, kahit ano pa man ang maraming mo sa buhay. And may God guide you and protect your life at all times. Many more birthdays to come. Stay safe, strong and healthy. God bless you always. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you all so much.
Wow, diba? Palakapan naman natin. Kasama na nag-alaga na kay Kayla from 2 to 12 years old. Diba? Thank you so much po. And this is it, Mami.
Ang hirap mag-space mo. Kasi gusto ko magpasalamat dun sa mga malalay sa'yo. Mahirap yung naging buhay namin kasi hindi rin kami nakikita kahit magkasama kami sa US. Dahil ako nag-work sa LA, si Kayla, nasa ate ko, siya yung talagang full support para kay Kayla. So thank you ate sa pagiging second mother. Mahirap. Thank you so much sa pagiging mabait, masipag, pag-aral. We are proud of you with your Mamsi and Kuya Baan. Lahat kami, Ate Lisa also. Si Sammy, laging kasama niya. Si Raymond, laging binibilan siya ng food. Pag wala ako, salamat sa inyo guys. Hindi ko magagawa lahat ito na kasi kung hindi kami natutulungan. So, thank you so much. Happy birthday and sana stay good. Thank you na. Thank you so much. I'm proud of you.
Wala ba naman sa mga girls? Okay, and with that, we invite our main candles. Hello, sir! Hello, sir! Walkie shot, guys! Show your walkie shot or walkie smile. Okay, dyan na kayo, guys. May kukulang
If you hesitate, think,
Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you so much. Okay, so before anything else, guys, please raise your right hand, guys, for our pledge tonight. Okay, and please repeat after me. My name is. Please state your name. Wholeheartedly. Oh, Kyla. Because I love the debutante, I will spend my time until the rest of the program and not to go home after eating my dinner. So help me God. Let's go to God. And there you go.
Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Ilang gabi ng puyat sa kakaisip sa'yo. Binabalikan na parang panaginip ang panahon. Tinatanong ang sarili kung bakit ganito? Ano ba meron sa'yo? Pero teka lang, parang napagdaanan ko na ito. Napamahal agad-agad at nabigo, pero di makahinto. Na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob. Di na-na-na-na, natututo sa noon. Sa nakaraan, nalimutan lahat sa'yo. Pagdating sa'yo, na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman! Wow! Barbie naman ang atake na yun. Ang ganda na ulit, Kyla. At kaya naman hindi na makabulupin sa choreo.
Di ko alam kung sadyang may malas lang ako. Lahat ng nabubuong pag-asa ay gumuguho. Akala ko pa naman na sa'yo na magtatapos ang mga pinoproblema ko. Pero teka lang, parang napagdaanan ko na ito. Napamahal agad-agad at nabigo, pero di makahinto. Na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob. Di na-na-na-na, natututo sa noon. Sa nakaraan, nalimutan lahat sa'yo. Pagdating sa'yo, na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Na-na-na-na, nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo.
Naku, ano na naman ito pinasok ko? Di na natutupag at tigas ng ulo. Di na nag-ingat, laging padalas-dalas. Pag may naramdaman, laging lubos-lubos.
At parang di rin nangyari ang dati. Ganito na lang ako palagi. Paikot-ikot lang, paulit-ulit. Iibig, aasa at uuwing sawi.
Nais ko lang naman makahanap ng tunay na mahal. Narito na naman, may mali ba sa aking ginagawa? Ayoko nang umasa sa wala. Bakit ba laging nagpapabihag sa nararamdaman?
Ano ba? Ayun na.
Magkano cake saan pumunta? Ay, ID yan. Hula ko. ID. Oo. Yun lang. Ano pa? Anong kulay?
Kulay yellow ito.
Kulay yellow ito? Okay, so guys, pag nag-describe na I believe, kulay yellow, I believe, at huwag sasabihin sa dulo, and I thank you. Dapat ganon, ha? Okay, sinimulan ko ni Michelle. Thank you so much, Michelle. Okay, and now first, that's from Michelle. Okay. Ayan si Kisha. Awa na ka Kisha. Come on! Ihawa mo yan. Ihawa mo. Ipakita mo sa audience. Ano naman? Go, Kisha.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Magagamit mo to for collection and kulay gold.
Collection kulay gold.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Ano yung magic word ay I?
Thank you.
Ayun! Go, Miss Mas. Ayan. Irapa mo, may aura mo. Oh, pak! Oh, come on!
Regalo ito kasi ang bumili si Gabriel at saka si Precio. Sabi ko kayong bumili para gusto mo. Yun lang.
And I
believe na... I believe na talaga magugustuhan mo siya. Para madala mo siya sa pupuntahan. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
thank you so much. Come on, go, Clan. Ay, pasabog ang gift. Okay. Meron kasi iba, di ba, yung motor, nakita niyo sa Facebook motor, pero pinag-combine na mga hanger, panglinis na ano. Okay, check muna natin. Ay, nayupi. Oo, sige, joke lang. I believe
na obvious naman to.
obvious.
At matutugin mo din. I think.
Okay, kumaya na. Oh! Bring down the briefcase.
Actually, gift po to ni Mami Jerilyn. Kaso po hindi po siya maka-attend. Kaya ako na lang po ang magbibigay kay Ate Kayla. Ito po.
Pag ka umiyak eh. Hindi kinakabahan siya. Okay, na smile. Galing kay Tita Gerald. Come on! Irapa mo yan. Oh, eto. Come on!
I believe, siya, kulay brown.
Kulay brown.
I believe, mahaba.
Ay, mahaba.
I believe, bilog.
Ay, bilog.
And lastly, hindi pala last. I believe, something square.
Something square.
And most importantly, I believe, siya, aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Yun, ka-generation namin yan. Aesthetic. Ayan, happy birthday. And thank you.
Ay, yung perfect na perfect. That's from JBN. Oh, come on! Go! Ayaw kumaway-kaway. Sige po niya, hindi natin kailangan daw ang dala, Miss Joy.
It's something blue
Something blue.
and light green.
Light green.
Mapipikit mo hanggang
Maybe, hula ko ano yung bill ng Maynila. Di kulay blue. Oo, may green din yan, di ba guys? Ayun, hula ko lang yan ha.
I think.
Oh, sorry guys. Bala, upload.
I believe brown siya. Yan, di ba? Parang ano. At saka I believe it's something na magpapaalala sa'yo and madadala mo rin siya na anywhere you go. And kulay red siya na may hat. Ayan.
Naku, ang sexy nito. Oh, irapa mo yan. Tingnan natin ano ang laman. I believe.
So I believe na tinanong kita about ito.
I believe.
Pero I believe din na hindi ko sinunod yung gusto mo.
Di ba?
So, I believe din something recent.
something na magugustuhan mo. Kasi, something J. Something J, something great. And I thank you.
That's a perfect and Geraldine. Kuha-kuha mo. On. Eto na si Madam. Dala ni Madam. Ano yan? Sige pa, isa pa. Sa audience naman. Pakita mo sa audience. Pakita mo.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Yung nakita mo ito, maliit pa eh, baby pa siya. But anyway, this gift, I believe, will secure your future.
Ay! Secure future.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
And I believe, although hindi ako nag-purchase nito para sa kanya, the most important persons in your life, your parents, this will guarantee your future and your son and granddaughter's future.
Oh, wow! Wala pa kayo man.
So I believe this comes from the company with son in the name, and that will secure your life.
Ay, hula ko sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine.
So happy birthday.
Wow! Secured na secured! Pangmalakasan! Go on! Ako gusto kayong smile ni Anne.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Ang laki mo na. Dati 7 years old pa lang. Invited mo rin ako. I believe po na scholar gold.
Gold?
May Simbalan year ba sa US? Joke lang.
Meron pa magpapatay pa kami ang branch ko.
Kasi kaya happy birthday. Magpasensya mo na itong gift ko sa'yo. And I love you.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Bumaba ako. Okay. I believe this gift symbolizes responsibility and preparedness to your journey to adulthood. And please use this gift as you travel and see the beauty of the world. And I thank you.
Wow! And see the beauty of the world. Ay, ito si attorney. Ay, nako! Binibin ni attorney, kalingkot-lingkot na, pero pasabog yan for sure. Tingnan natin.
Happy birthday. Hello. You have to describe this one. Though it's small, but it's valuable.
Small and valuable!
I particularly chose this gift for you because it resembles your personality. You're joyful, you are grateful, you're compassionate, intelligent. You will wear this one forever, you will cherish this one forever, you will become like me.
Wow! Gusto ko yun.
You know, I know you'll remember this because this symbol is something like is a very intelligent marine mammal, and it will give you good luck, safety, charm, and you will amass power and success.
Dahil dun kinapa mo nagmalalayan, Ira. Come on! This is the microphone, Ira. I believe. Okay, Ira, go.
Happy birthday, Kayla. I believe magagamit mo ito pag nasa bahay ka, pag lumabas ka. Yun. And I thank you.
Welcome with you, Miss Janice.
Birthday, Kayla. Sana. I believe na magagamit mo sa araw-araw at ito pag-bring ko lagi. I thank you.
Ito na, konti na lang. I love the color. Paper bag pa lang. Meron pa ba guys na gusto mong humabol? Kaya hindi ko
Happy birthday, Kayla. I believe that this gift that I want to give you is something that you can use every day and any day if you want to look fabulous or smell good.
Wow.
This gift is, I believe that this gift, siguro marami siyang shades and colors. Yeah, yun lang. And I thank you.
Maraming shades and colors. Wow. That's a from Allen.
Picture.
And last but not the least, Lizzo. Tingnan natin. Ano ang kulay red? Kulay red naman sa loob. paper bag. Habang po ba yan?
Hi Kai, happy birthday. I believe na colorful ito, rainbow. And I believe na sweet ito, katulad mo. And then I believe na ma-surprise kapag na-open mo.
Wow!
That's all, thank you.
Thank you so much, Hazel! Natawag na ba lahat, guys? Yung iba pang merong gift na dala, kahit hindi part ng ating 18 gifts, you may grab this opportunity, guys. Please, lapit po tayo kay debutant at pakidala yung mga gift na personal na ibigay. So guys, come on! Ayun, who else, guys? Meron ba? Ay, ito meron si baby girl. Pakibigay kay Ate Kyla. Meron pa? Ay, meron pa din! Okay, there goes everyone. For our 18 shots, tingin na po tayo guys. And dito tayo sa... Okay, chill lang muna tayo guys. Nakuha na ba ng picture? Okay, may have the microphone. For this time, kayo naman magpapakilala ng sarili. For example, my name is John. Kasama ko si Kyla sa US kapag nagko-coffee. Ayun. So it may depends kung kaano-ano kayo ni Kyla at palagi ba kayong kasama ni Kyla somewhere, for example, kasama sa gala. Ayun. Partners in crime. So maybe start here. Pangalan and description. Go.
Hi, ako si Princess Gabriel and si Kyla, friend ko simula grade 2. And actually, ngayon lang ulit kami nakita after grade 6. So, yun, hindi kami masyadong nakikita.
Hi, my name is Romana from CFC.
Hi, I'm Hazeline Sarmiento and kasama ko po si Kyla also din po sa households and also every time na naglalaro kami ng badminton.
Alright, badminton playmate.
Hello po, I'm Jessica. Nakasama ko po si Ate Kyla tuwing uuwi po siya para mag-badminton.
So, hi, I'm Geraldine Estolatan. So, pinsan ko po si Kyla. Tapos, like 3 years din po siguro hindi kami nakita and through chat lang po kami nag-uusap and nung younger po kami, dun po kami laging naglalaro.
Hi, I am Sepri and pinsan ko po si Kyla. So, siya yung lagi kong kakampi simula pagkabata, ganun. Siya lagi yung kasama ko and sa lahat ng kulit, gala, yung away, syempre hindi siya mawawala. Hindi siya mawawala. Yung tampuhan na magpinsan. So, yun.
Hi, my name is Martin Walden, and I'm Kyla's cousin. And my best memories with Kyla is playing Minecraft and with her other friends.
Pahingi mo ka tissue po. Nosebleed ako.
My name is Franz Christiansen Sarmiento po. And kasama ko po si Ate Kyla sa badminton po and sa households din po. Tsaka sa previous school po sa St. Mary's po.
Hi, my name is Musami. Nagkita po kayo nung bata pa kami po. At this times, ngayon na po kami nagkikita ulit.
Wow!
Hi, my name is Prince Liam Marlin. Minsan na lang po kami nakikita.
Minsan lang. So are you looking forward na palagi? Di joke lang.
Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm Kyla's cousin. But I see her as my little sister. And I like talking anime with her. I think I made her become like a huge nerd, actually. She's like a closet nerd now, but yeah.
Ayan, si Sammy.
I'm Juan and pinsan ko si Kyla. Kasama ko sa bahay. Pinaaral ako dati ni Ma'am Se. Tapos, nagbabasketball kami kung ano-anong laro ang nilalaro namin dati.
Wow, nagbabasketball pala dati si ano?
Hi, my name is Lawrence and tinutulungan po lagi niya ako sa assignment.
Ayun, yun tayo eh. Asa-asa tayo pag may time.
So, hello, I'm Abdullah Malagwin and since many years na po kami nagkita, ngayon na po kami nagkita. And I'm a cousin po.
Ayan, cousin.
Hi po, I'm Jenich. Kaso din po ako ni Kyla and madalas lang po siya makasama nung bata po kami, which is katulad po ni Bon, nagpo-basketball din po kami nung bata, naglalaro ng Wii. Pero ngayon po, ang mas madalas ko po makasama sila Pops Kuya Ban na lang po. Kasi nasa inyo sa iba si Kyla. Ayun lang po.
Hi, I'm Raymond. I want to say you became a beautiful woman, and I can't wait. And just like congratulations, you're beautiful. And what else do I have to say? What else do I gotta say? Sometimes I'll be like, hey, what's a good Korean song? And she'll put me on the band. So like I do some Korean dances and stuff. But yeah, I'm her cousin.
Hi, I'm her Ate Ella. Nagkasama kami since 8 years old siya. Ako nag-guide sa kanya hanggang bago siya pumunta ng US. And pag umuwi sila dito, lagi niya akong kasama. So, parang best friend. Best friend. Then, like kaming nagbabanding pag umuwi sila.
Hi, I'm Zin, and I am Kyla's cousin. The last time that we met was 2 years ago, so before pandemic, diba? Then I've spent summers in their house.
Okay, with that guys, so please get your glass or shot glass. Eto na, please get one by one. Be careful. Baka matapon. And wait for my cue before we do the shot.
Kundi ikaw ay lagi silang makapiling. Sa tuwing hinahawakan mo aking mga kamay, pakiramdam ko'y parang
Please welcome Kuya Von. Please welcome for a third song, AJ. Palakpakan po tayo lahat. Please welcome Jerry. No one to Please welcome. Ito po, friends po yung nauna. Ito po, friends din po yung susunod. Yung little boy dito sa harap, friends din po pangalan niya. Okay, second to the last, once again, Franz! Clap our hands.
Mas maganda yung may rose. Paganda sa
Bababa lang po siguro ng konti para makita yung mukha pag na-picturean. Yan. Salamat po sa choreographer. Ganyan po dati. Pag 18 po kasi yung ganyang dance eh. Ayan, ganyan po ang pag-dance sa 7th birthday. Palakpakan to Daddy Joshua at Daddy with Kyla. Maraming salamat. For the mother candle, please welcome her loving mommy. Everybody clap our hands for Mommy Rose.
Wish ko kay Ban Kyla good health, lumaking mabait, at saka matanda.
Okay, simpleng wish ni Mami. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, so welcome Hada. Everybody clap our hands.
Happy birthday, Kyla. I wish for you that you may pass all your exams.
Thank you very much. Ayan, nakakapasa siya. Okay, and next, please welcome and clap our hands for Geraldine.
Be a good girl, Kyla, and study very hard.
Okay, she can go. Hey. Monkey. Jump. Jump again. Birthday to you. Okay, so close your eyes, Kyla. Then make a wish. Good morning. Okay, Kyla, start to blow your 7 candles. Yes, first on your cake. And of course, holding your daddy, 7-year-old candles.
Happy birthday!
Yes! Okay, sing again.
Maawas Mars. Ako chok, ako ayaw chok kong
Kyla! Hello! Oh, bang.
Many of you are surely wondering why.
Trot. Si Kylie. Sabi ka naman si.
Ay, good. Good job. Congratulations. Happy birthday, Kyla. Be a good girl.